Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Great Indian Desert. Dear students, in the previous lesson we have studied about two physical features of India, northern plains and northern mountains. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the another physical feature of India that is known as Great Indian Desert. A desert is a large area of land which is covered with sand and receives very little or no rainfall. Very few plants and trees grow in a desert. Deserts have either very high or very low temperature. Now we are going to learn about the location of desert in India. In India, desert is located on the western side of the northern plains. Students, we have studied about the northern plains extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. So you have to remember desert is located on the western side of the northern plains. It is called the Great Indian Desert or Western Desert or Thar Desert. The Great Indian Desert mainly lies in the state of Rajasthan. You all know that the Rajasthan is the largest state of India, but stretches across some parts of Haryana, Punjab and Gujarat, extending up to Pakistan. It is bordered by the Satluj River in the northeast, by the Indus River in the west and by the Aravalli Hills in the southeast. Understand, students? Desert region. The region of the Great Indian Desert is made up of loose sand and rocks. The loose sand is blown away by strong winds to form hills, as you can see in this picture. These hills are called sand dunes. Strong winds also cause dust storms. Understand? There is a scarcity of water in the desert. The river Luni is the only seasonal river that flows through the Great Indian Desert. There are areas in the desert where underground water comes to the surface. These areas are called oases. Human settlements and villages are located near oases. Understand? Climate and vegetation. In summers, the days in the desert are very hot, but the nights are pleasant. In winters, the days are pleasant, but the nights are very cold. This is because the sand heats up quickly during the day and also cools down quickly at night. The desert gets little or no rainfall. As a result, very few plants such as date palm, as you can see in this picture, this is a tree of date palm, cactus, kikar and babul, which require less water grow here. Student, you have to read this topic from your book, so listen and watch this video carefully. Thank you.